Hello. Got another wheel cleaner we're going to try out today. We are going to try Adams wheel cleaner. Excited. I've been wanting to try this one for a long time. So here we are. We're going to try it and see how it does. Smells really good. Oh, it turns purple. Let's see here. It's reacting with the iron from the brakes. Yeah. Here. Right. Okay. So it looks like it's causing on my brakes. I don't know if you can see that or not. Some like spots on the brakes, but that'll come off. First glance, it looks like it did really good though. Let's go dry it off and find out. Okay. Let's see here what we got. Alright, so that's this. Boom. Stuff worked really good, actually. I might like it better than Peanuts Brake Buster. We'll find out though. This made me a little bit nervous because it turned my rotors a color, which will go away as soon as I hit my brakes. But I just have the like iron removing properties in there, so that's work smart with these. Anytime you get something that removes iron like that, make sure you work smart and fast, not in the sun. Don't let it dry. This is really good for someone that just does it on the weekends. I don't know if I would use it because you might mess something up, but you might not. Just work fast if you get it, but it looks like it worked really well. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like the video. Even if you don't like it, like the video, and subscribe, guys. Until next time, see ya.